Our friends are gonna have to know about the hair loss thing, I understand.
Apparently.
Mom, I was really sad today because I had more extra math instead of recess.
Extra math instead of recess. I'm sorry, that's a bummer.
Hey. Hi, do you think you can help me with a hair mask? I know you have to go, but could you please do it for me?
Sure, of course I can help you with the hair mask before I go on my date night. Welcome to Roxy Saran. Melody, are you okay helping me out from our YouTube channel?
Yeah, sure.
It'll be so fun. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Roxy Saran, and this is one of my daughters, Melody Saran. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to do a hair mask. So Melody has an event tomorrow, and she wants her curls and her beautiful hair to be shiny and rich. So what do we have in here, Melody?
So we have about 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, an egg, and honey. And
what else?
one of these 3 oils.
Okay, 1 drop of cedarwood, 1 drop of lavender, and 1 drop of rosemary. All 3 of these essential oils work really well for strengthening hair, for making it really super shiny. I like to do this exact mask for my curls once a month, and it is really easy to do. All right, Melody, so let's get this egg, honey, and grapeseed oil, essential oil concoction into your hair. It'll take just a minute, and then once we get you tied up, you'll leave it in for at least 30 minutes, all right? Okay, so here we go. Clip that up. Thank you, ma'am. All right, and then we just use this empty trash bag and tie that up. It'll seal in the moisture. Here you go, easy, easy. I grew up seeing my mom do all kinds of hair masks as a kid, and that brings back such fun memories for me. And the kids always laughed at me with my hair in my bag once a month. All right, and then easy to do this little topsy-turvy that'll keep it in. Tie that up, and be sure to set your timer for 30 minutes. All right, after you wash all that out, it's gonna be gorgeous. I can't wait to see the end product. All right.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Whew, finally, maybe we can get to our date. All right, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification if you are enjoying this channel for other tips and tricks.
Hey babe, what are you doing here?
Hey, are you ready to go on a date?
I'm ready to go on a date.
Awesome.
You making up stuff for me? What is this a message you're trying to get? Is it going that much? Is it going away?
Well,
Are you gonna make me a hair loss thingy, Maduro? Whatever. What are you
all
calling
right,
that?
have a seat here too.
Oh.
I wasn't intending.
Our friends are gonna have to know about the hair loss thing, I understand.
Apparently, so I guess I'm so short I didn't notice the top of your
Let me
head.
have a seat. Hello, friends.
I didn't notice the top of your head was getting a little bit
Yes, you
there.
do. You're just very kind and not saying much.
Okay, so the same 3 essential oils that help for hair regeneration and also the hair mask that we did
Hold on
earlier.
a second. Don't you do something with my shampoo too?
Yes, I'm going to talk about that in just
Which is a brand new bottle or it's quasi new?
All right, so lifelong vitality helps with hair, of course, absolutely.
Yeah, I
Shiny
take that
hair
every
from
day.
the inside out.
Yeah.
The Doterra shampoo and conditioner helps with beautiful hair. And then my favorite is the root to tip serum that helps kind of calm the crazy, and it's infused with essential oils. But what we'll do for,
What does it do with the crazy?
it helps crazy hair that's kind of
okay.
out there, fuzzies for humidity, okay?
Okay.
Now what we'll do for thinning hair, you can add 1 or 2 drops of cedarwood, rosemary, and lavender to your shampoo bottle. This is really easy to do. You just open it up and drop in your 1 or 2 drops of lavender, cedarwood, and rosemary directly to your shampoo bottle. and mix it up really well so that it all emulsifies together. And then next time you're gonna start having a little bit more hair, Mr. Saran, okay? Just mix that up, all right? And their shampoo.
Yeah, I keep forgetting to
do that.
I know.
Yeah.
Well,
So, an easy thing we can do right now, just for demonstration purposes, don't get used to me massaging your
I
scalp
love
every
this.
time.
That's why I'm like, this chair belongs to me. Yeah.
But one easy thing that we can do is get the root to tip serum. You just take 1 squirt. We'll do 1 drop of rosemary, 1 drop of cedarwood, and 1 drop of lavender, and mix that together. And these work synergistically together to promote hair growth and healthy, beautiful hair.
By the time we get to the date.
By the time, yeah, right. By the time we get to our date, your hair's gonna grow. No, it doesn't work that fast. But over time, you'll see that your hair will get a little bit thicker, shinier, healthier looking, and it just feels really good as well. I kind of have a cool story about the rosemary in here. It also helps with brain health and with memory. And I have a girlfriend that when I told her about this, she was like, yeah, I don't know about all that stuff, but I do need it for hair growth.
I remember in school, a lot of students used to use rosemary for doing finals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so how does that feel?
Oh, yeah. Keep going. Keep going.
Right.
This is awesome.
Yeah, we're good. All right, Mr. Saran, it's
thank
time.
you.
You're welcome. It's time for our
Thank you,
date
friends.
night.
Yeah, we're going to go. So.
Thank you so much for watching our channel. Again, this is
Thank you,
Roxy
guys.
Saran. Be sure to subscribe if you like this information and hit the bell notification.
Hey, Mom! Can you help me find my socks?
Where are my blue jeans?
I need my belt!
A mom's work is never done. Be sure to subscribe so you can check our next video. We'll be talking about how to handle stress.
Mom!